Hello, this is Aaron from Chef. In this video I'm going to show you how import a USD cache in your simulation. So if you export a simulation in USD, or you have a USD that contains some scaled animation with some agents, you can import that USD file here and generate agents from that cache. So what you need to do basically is to use the USD cache reader. So the USD cache reader basically is exactly the same of our cache reader, but instead to work with our Atoms cache format, it read directly a USD file. So from the previous video when we exported some MEM to USD, I can import back. Here I have my basically agents that is reading the animation from the USD file. And here, exactly like the normal cache reader, you can use the layout tool to edit your simulation. So you just need to activate the layout tool. Then you can select some agents, rotate them, then just play the cache. If you export it from Atoms, you can adapt to a new terrain. You can scale them, you can resimulate the path of some agents with a curve. So for example, I can create a curve here. Like this. And then attach a curve layout. Sorry, a follow curve. And then I can attach my curve here. And then I can select some other agents. Oops. Some other agents here, and to use the new direction. I press play, and you can assign new terrain. So if I ask here, for example, switch a bit here. If I press play, you see it doesn't follow, but I can create a new I field. Okay, and then assign the I field here. And now basically they are adapting to the terrain. So this cache is exported by Atoms, so I have some data that can be useful. The data on the agent that is used by some of the features here, for example, for the simulation or the ground rotation. But this doesn't mean that you can only use USD simulation exported from Atoms. For example, you can export a simulation for Houdini, so export the simulation to USD, and then I can use the USD file to generate agents and let the agent play that cache. So if let me remove everything from here and remove the adaptation, and then let me select the Houdini simulation that exported. Let me zoom in since the scale is different. Let's click a selection, and now as you can see I have the Houdini simulation here as a Atoms agent following the USD cache. Since there are normal agent here that's using the cache reader, and then I can use the layout tool as well. So let me open the layout tool, so you can select the agent here and can move it. You can rotate them. Can delete agents, assign variation, and so on. So all the action they can do with the normal agents. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.